So we're up here at Bombay. We're going to relocate up here just from Pukekohe. What benefits are we going to have up here? Well, closer to State Highway 1 for the major part. That's a huge benefit. I'm Mark, I'm from Northchill and Pukekohe. I'm the workshop supervisor there. So we've gone with the Levanta pit. We did shop around a little bit. Turns out Levanta were where we decided to go. As far as our new pit here goes, we're twice as long as our existing pit, almost twice as wide. Until you see it here in the ground, you don't really know, right? You see all the pictures and you see the drawings, but when you can actually stand in it, walk down the staircase and feel the space, and I didn't realise how wide the pit was until I managed to actually walk inside it. Side entrance, it'll just be a whole lot brighter, a whole lot easier. We'll have twin jacks, brake rollers. What can go wrong? It's been really easy. The guys at Levanta have been great. I've mostly dealt with Dave and of course Chris here on site. Obviously Jackson was the main man at the beginning, and everyone's been terrific.
Jackson here from Levanta. We're at a job at Northchill in Bombay today. So we're currently in the process of installing a 20-metre Levanta steel prefabricated pit, fully kitted out with ventilation, lighting, air lines, and a 20-tonne jacking rail. It also has a brake tester in it as well. This is done by Northchill to help keep up with the servicing of their expanding fleet and distributions throughout New Zealand. Graham from Northchill has been a fantastic client to work alongside. They're very specific in their scope, and right through to delivery, we've had good communication the whole way through, which has made for a very smooth and beautiful project to be part of. And we're looking forward to doing the final handover in a few weeks' time once it's all done.
G'day, just installed a 20-metre Levanta prefab pit. The thing I love about the prefab Levanta pits, easy to install. I was here Monday, I'll be home with the family on Friday. Happy days. Quick and easy, perfect.